everybody, it's Mark with Eggers and Bacon here, and we kind of had a cool little thing happen the other day. This is our olive egger Cash. She's about a 4th generation olive egger backcross, and she got her name Cash because we took her eggs to a poultry show and entered them in the egg contest, and we had a guy offer us $60 for the hen that laid those eggs. And we thought that was kind of cool. We said no. She's one of our family, and we love the color of eggs that she lays. So she usually lays this really nice dark olivey color. But here's a little story of what happened.
Today we're going to talk about olive egg-laying chickens. So, an olive egger is made by crossing a blue egg-laying hen with a rooster that has a brown egg gene. So crossing those, you should get an olive color. So this is from our chicken Cash, which is an olive egger. And the day she laid this egg, it misfired. So you can see she really has a blue egg with a brown wash on it, which makes her really color pretty dark green. So this is a close-up of the egg. You can see how the main shell color is blue, but then it just has a brown wash over it. So you can just see.